Okay, how are you all? So uh, today I'm feeling pretty well, and today's temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. So you know all that. Yesterday it rained well in the middle of the last night, so that is why it's not that hot today. So come to the main point. So summer is getting hotter than before. So it's really unbearable. So we are the human mainly responsible for that. We are increasing the amount of uh, greenhouse gas every day. So if we can't stop it right now, so in future it waiting for a worse thing. So that time we will be nothing to do. So take a proper step right now, and also government should take a proper step against that. So keep watching my video. Thank you very much for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.